Hi! In this video, we'll show how to install the Perun Moto Small Billet Rack on the KTM 790 or 890 Adventure. The kit includes the billet top plate and all required mounting hardware. 4 pairs of M8 countersunk bolts in different lengths, along with 2 9mm spacers and 4 18mm spacers. For this installation, you'll need a TX40 Torx key and a 6mm Allen key. We'll start by removing the stock rear rack and grab handles. Loosen and remove the 4 bolts at the rear of the bike. Once removed, lift off the OEM rack and set it aside. While it's possible to install small billet rack together with the OEM passenger grab handles, we do not recommend that setup and it won't be shown in this video. Next, let's install the Perun Moto Small Billet Rack. Place the supplied spacers onto the mounting points on the tail of the bike. The longer spacers go on all 4 mounting points, while the shorter spacers are added to the front positions. Carefully place the rack on top, aligning all mounting holes. Insert the M8x45 bolts at the front and the M8x35 bolts at the rear. Thread all bolts in by hand first to ensure proper engagement. Make sure everything aligns correctly and then tighten the bolts evenly to the recommended torque of 20 Nm. With that, the installation is complete. As a final step, it's a good idea to check bolt tightness after the first few rides and retorque if necessary. And that's it. The Perun Moto Small Billet Rack is now securely installed and ready for use. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.